Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make the best vegan snack in the world, grill flavoured Bisli. Starting off, you're going to want 200 grams of fusilli pasta, cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, teaspoon of ground cumin, teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of MSG, or salt. Now, I'm going to bring some water to the boil. I'm adding in some salt and oil because I don't want the pasta to stick together. Next, in a little container, I'm just adding all the spices in and I'm going to give it a good shake. Now, the key here is to bring the fusilli to be on the al dente stage. They should double in size. I'm going to drain them, set them aside, let them dry.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Now in a pan, I'm just going to pour the oil in. Now the oil needs to be burning hot, to the point where when you drop them in, after a few seconds, literally within seconds, they start to fizzle and they float to the top. Do these one by one, because if you add them all in at once, they'll clump together and it's just going to be a nightmare to work with. Be patient, it's rewarding. Next, I'm going to drain them, add them to a little shaky bowl, add in the spices, add some salt if required, and that's it, folks. Plate it up, and you're good to go. Listen to that crunch. Delicious, bursting with flavors. Folks, as always, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like vegan soul food from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Feel free to leave a like and a comment as well. It's always appreciated. Love you all. Ciao for now. See you on the next one.